You're going to fail. You're going to make mistakes. If you're not making mistakes, then you're not learning. So might as well just start getting those mistakes out the way now and learning.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
Now, I also noticed that you had some certifications listed on your site. How, like, can you kind of share with us what kind of certifications your company has or you have, and how would it benefit your company?
Okay, we're certified in, number one, we're certified with the whole state of Ohio to do government work, which is the number one thing. And of course, we have our green certifications and our other carpet cleaning and stuff like that. But those MBE certifications, those state certifications are life-changing. Like government contracts, you're not going to give a government contract unless you're certified with the state or sam.gov to be certified to get national contracts with government contracts, stuff like that. So without a certification, you won't be able to get those things. It's a lot of paperwork, but it's worth it. Right now, I have, I think everybody has right here it's called a housing authority. So every county, different housing authority. We have a contract right there. It's crazy. It's definitely over $1 million a year, but it took me 2 years just to fill out the paperwork, but it's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah, because it always scared me away from government contracts with all that paperwork. But that's what, so let me ask you this then. Do the certifications help you at all in the private sector?
Yeah, it does. Especially the bloodborne pathogen certification, green clean certifications to get small medical offices, things like that, carpet cleaning. Everybody wants to see that you're certified and you're qualified to do the job. So it never hurts to get as much as you can. So I try to get them all. Yeah. Absolutely.
Okay. Now, let's see what I got going on here. Okay, now your humbleness. This is what I want to talk about because I always research everybody before I do the interview, right? And I'm sitting here going all the way down your Facebook, and it went to like 2013 so fast because you don't post a lot. Then I had to go search your LinkedIn, and it was like it was there, but like you didn't even have a picture on it. It was just, but I knew it was you because of the companies. And so it was like, how, like, why are you so humble? How, why, like, why don't you share as much or post as much, and why are you so humble with it?
I'm real quiet. It's real slow on social media for me. I just don't. I'm a private person, number one, and I didn't. To be honest with you, it's like at first. Now you teaching me this right now about getting on there and getting your YouTube channel, and getting your personal brand out there. But that's at first it wasn't me. I was like, if I'm not making money, I'm not doing it. So it's like me bragging to people about what I do and what I had. Like it's not me. It's never been me. I wasn't raised like that. But to be in a position to help somebody else, I'm really starting to see that I do need to be more out there. But I just, it's not in me. Like I talk all day long, but I'm not that social and sharing my private life, stuff like that. So I don't know.
Right. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to work on getting you a YouTube channel just to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We need that for real. Like. Especially like even like for the government contracts, like I can't speak to that. You know what I mean? So if you can hop up here and start sharing some of those details and tips on that, that'd be huge. We can blow that channel up quick. So
I got you.
Yeah. All right. But what else I got for you? So anybody listening on the sideline, I always come with this question. They procrastinating, thinking about getting started, but they scared for whatever reason. What would you tell these people?
Well, that's not gonna pay the bills. Number one. Being scared. I mean, if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, especially if you're on the fence about buying a startup kit or AJ's masterclass, just do it. Like, even if you're a seasoned commercial cleaner, residential cleaner, you're going to learn something. I learned a lot just learning a lot about your lead generation and your Google ads. But to me, I don't understand why people procrastinate. I mean, I know it's nature to procrastinate, be scared, but you're going to fail. You're going to make mistakes. If you're not making mistakes and you're not learning. So might as well just start getting those mistakes out the way now and learning and getting in the field. I mean, you're only losing your time. Like, time gonna go by anyway. You might as well make some money doing it.
Okay. Now I feel like I'm running out of my regular questions, but I just want to keep you a little bit longer because I feel like you got a little bit more game that we need to soak up. So I want to ask you this, like, what types of books or even podcasts, YouTube, anything that you're looking at or reading that you kind of want to share that you follow?
I just read a book, just finished it yesterday. It's called The Obstacle is the Way. It's an amazing book. It's just basically about learn how to look at obstacles differently. And as a business owner, you're going to find an obstacle I read a lot. I look at YouTube videos a lot. I'll put them in your, my top 10 books on your, Clean Biz Network. But The Obstacle is the Way is the one that's on the forefront because I just finished it right now. The Richest Man in Babylon. I have a lot of books. I'll throw them out to you though.
Okay. And how do you find the time to read? That's another thing I'm gonna ask.
Audible.
Gotcha.
Audible. So I listen in my car. If I'm not listening to music. I'm listening to something that's gonna help me build my craft and build my mind. So when I'm on the road and I'm driving, I'll listen to an audio book or I'll listen to a podcast or I'll listen to something that's gonna feed my mind or I'll listen to your YouTube channel or something like that. So.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.